do students' homeworks. With a 4.8 star review on Glassdoor, we now have a website called School Solver. And if you go to School Solver's website, you will see that people are literally paying from a few cents to hundreds of dollars for people to solve their school homework. And as you can see here in front of me right now, people are paying $1,000 for someone to complete this task. Another thing that you will notice when you open here the website is that they have 1,558 pages of things for you to solve. So it's kind of never ending. And if you're wondering how to get to the page where you can answer the questions, go to their home website, click on answer questions, and then you will find the questions for you to answer. All you have to do to be able to use this website is to just create a free account, and then you're good to go. And the amount of money that you can earn from this website, basically taking into account the average of the price that people are paying here, which is from $1 to $1,000. Let's say it's an average of $30 a question that you answer. Let's say that you answer 6 questions per hour at $30 each, and you do about 5 hours a day doing this. That's already a nice $900 every single day that you're going to be making from this website alone. And as you can see here, this platform has been mentioned on TechCrunch, TNW, Forbes, Mashable, and Product Hunt.